Welcome to this Mobility Matters video on foot bathing.
In this video, we will discuss foot bathing for dairy cattle and we'll cover foot bath design, foot bath chemicals available, and how to work out if you have the correct concentration. Foot bathing is a commonly used management tool for infectious lameness control. It prevents and reduces cases of lameness caused by digital dermatitis. Other infectious causes of lameness exist, such as foul of the foot. Digital dermatitis is the most common cause of lameness in the UK and is highly infectious. Foot bathing is a necessity on most dairy farms in the UK for controlling this disease. So, let's check what foot baths are on farm and if they are adequate for the job. The aim is to get 2 dunks per foot, which usually requires a length of 3.7 metres. The next step is to establish what volume the bath holds if you are filling to the standard depth of 10 to 15 centimetres. The foot bath depth aims to cover the hoof to just below the coronary band and cover the heel area. Volume equals length times width times depth times 1,000. Once we've established volume, it is essential to work out if concentration is correct. This can be done using one of the following equations. So, now that we've established the volume of the bath and the desired concentration, we know how many litres of chemical is required. The next step is to work out how often the bath needs to be emptied and refilled. We usually say that every cow requires 1 litre. So if a bath can hold 150 litres, then the bath will need to be changed every 150 cows, providing the feet are clean on entering the bath. Now that we have worked out the size and volume of chemicals required, it is time we discuss the 2 chemicals commonly used in foot baths. Formalin is not a veterinary medicine. It is used commonly as it is cheap and very effective at the correct concentration of 2 to 5%, as agreed with your advisor. If stronger, burns and lesions are seen on the feet and possibly teats due to splashing, and cows are hesitant to use the foot bath. Formalin comes as 37 to 40% formaldehyde solution. So, if we want to make a 100 litre foot bath of 4% formalin, we will require 4 litres of 37% formaldehyde in 96 litres of water. There are safety concerns around using this as it is a category 1B carcinogen, so appropriate PPE must be worn. Formalin breaks down quickly, so can enter the slurry system. Copper sulfate is the other common chemical used. It is effective at a concentration of 5 to 10%. The effective concentration can be reduced by acidifying. It is toxic and likely to be fatal to cows if they were to drink it. There are difficulties disposing of this chemical as it is toxic to aquatic life and can potentially build up in the soil if spreading slurry. It is also more expensive than formalin. Copper sulfate generally comes in 20 kilo bags, so one 20 kilo bag in 200 litres of water will make 10% copper sulfate solution. There are also many other foot bathing products available, with many containing organic acids and metals. Antibiotic foot bathing is no longer practiced in the UK and so should never be used, as it is not a licensed treatment and it also is an irresponsible use of antibiotics. Regular foot bathing of the entire herd is key. Heifers and dry cows need to be included on the foot bathing protocol. Foot bathing is used to prevent infectious lameness rather than treat it. So once digital dermatitis is under control, it may be possible to reduce the concentration of the product after consultation with your vet. Copper is not a licensed EU biocide. It is likely the use of copper will be removed. Formalin is currently available and is an approved biocide until 2022. So with the likelihood of copper and formalin to be removed from our armoury, foot bathing in organic acids is likely to be the future foot bath of choice. So, to summarise, is the foot bath the correct length? Is it the correct depth? Is the volume calculated correctly? How many cows can pass through the bath before changing? Is the concentration correct as recommended by your advisor?
Remember, the most important thing to go in the foot bath is the cow's foot.
Thanks for watching this Mobility Matters video on foot bathing.